Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a profile picture to your ClickUp account. So simple, go ahead and click your profile on the upper right hand side and click in settings. Now from here, you'll find your avatar at the top. This is going to just be the initial from your name on your account. Just simply click on this blue area right here at the top. And here you will have the option to upload an avatar. So click on that. Then select upload and it's going to open up your file explorer onto your computer. So find a picture of yourself that you want to use. In this case, I'm going to just choose this picture right here. And once you click on that picture, you can basically adjust it the way you want. As you can see, you can adjust it. So I'm going to adjust it and align just like this. Then as you can see the preview of it right here. Then click and save. And as you can see right there, it's added. So in order to fully save this, simply click and save changes at the bottom right there. And that's all there is to it, guys. Now if you look to the upper right again, you can see that my picture is there. If I click on home from the left hand side, you will see that my picture is there. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.